Do you feel lost when shopping at an English-speaking supermarket? Or do you want to learn real-life English dialogues that you can use immediately? You're in the right place. In this video, follow Julia and Mike, two friends doing their weekly grocery shopping, as they go through 20 realistic supermarket scenes. From picking fresh apples to paying at the checkout, you'll learn essential vocabulary, natural phrases, and practical tips for shopping in English. What you'll get: 20 short dialogues for A1 to B1 English learners, clear, slow pronunciation for easy listening, real supermarket situations, produce, dairy, meat, frozen foods, and more. This video helps you speak English more confidently at the store. Hit the like button to help other learners find this content. Subscribe and click the bell. Don't miss our next real-life dialogue video. Restaurant, bank, post office, and more. Comment below, what's the first thing you buy at the supermarket? Or share your own shopping tip. Join our channel. Click the link in the description for exclusive PDF transcripts, audio downloads, and early access to new videos. Your support keeps this channel growing. Now, grab your shopping list and join Julia and Mike. Let's go to the supermarket.
Here we are, the supermarket. Do you have a shopping list?
I forgot it at home. I'll just remember.
I always keep a list on my phone.
That's smart. Where should we start?
Produce section first. Fruits and vegetables.
Okay, lead the way.
Do you prefer a cart or a basket?
Basket. We're not buying much.
I'll take a cart. I have many items.
Fine. Let's grab both.
Look at the store map near the entrance.
I never use those.
It saves time. Aisle 1 is fresh produce.
All right, let's go.
Don't forget to take a loyalty card.
I have the app on my phone.
Perfect. Ready?
Ready. Supermarket adventure begins.
Julia, look fresh. Do you like red or green?
Red. They're sweeter.
I prefer green. Sour and crunchy.
Can you squeeze them to check ripeness?
Gently. Too soft means old.
What about bananas?
Get yellow with a little green. They'll last longer.
I buy too many and they turn black.
Store them away from other fruits.
Really? Why?
Bananas release gas that ripens others quickly.
I learned something new.
How many bananas do you want?
4, please.
Anything else? Grapes? Oranges?
A bag of seedless grapes.
Check the bottom of the bag. No squished ones.
Good tip. Let's move on.
We need vegetables. What's your favorite?
Broccoli and carrots.
Look for bright green broccoli. No yellow spots.
This bunch looks good.
Carrots. Choose firm ones, not bendy.
What about lettuce?
I always buy romaine. Crunchy and fresh.
How do you keep it crispy at home?
Wrap in a paper towel inside the fridge.
Noted. Do you buy organic?
Sometimes for spinach and bell peppers.
Organic is expensive, though.
It's worth it for the dirty dozen.
What's that?
Fruits, veggies with most pesticides.
I'll Google it later. Onions?
Yes, red onions for salads.
Grab a bag of potatoes, too.
Make sure they're firm and no sprouts.
I love the smell of fresh bread.
Me too. Which one do you buy?
Whole wheat sourdough, healthier for sandwiches.
I usually get white bread, soft and cheap.
White bread has less fiber. Try multigrain.
Maybe next time. Do you buy from the fresh bakery or packaged?
Fresh bakery. No preservatives.
But it goes bad in 3 days.
Freeze half of it.
Smart. What about pastries?
I avoid them. Too much sugar.
One croissant won't hurt.
Okay, you buy one, I'll watch.
Do they have gluten-free options?
Yes, on the top shelf.
My sister needs gluten-free bread.
Grab her a loaf. Let's get a baguette too.
For garlic bread tonight?
Perfect idea.
Now the dairy aisle. Cold air coming.
I need milk, whole milk.
I buy oat milk, lactose-free.
Oat milk tastes watery to me.
Have you tried Barista Edition?
No, what's different?
Creamier, froth's better for coffee.
Okay, I'll try a small carton.
Eggs. Do you get free range or cage-free?
Whatever is cheapest.
Free range is more humane and tastes better.
Fine, I'll spend extra.
Yogurt. Greek or regular?
Greek, more protein.
Same. Check the expiration date.
Always. Butter or margarine?
Real butter, unsalted.
I like salted for toast.
Get both then.
We should get some protein. Meat section.
Chicken breast is my go-to.
Look for pink, not gray. No slime.
How do you check the package?
Press gently. Should be firm.
What about beef?
Ground beef for spaghetti.
Lean or regular?
85-15. Not too fatty.
Do you buy organic meat?
Only for chicken. Antibiotic-free.
Expensive, but worth it.
How much chicken do you need?
2 breasts for meal prep.
Grab a pack of turkey slices too, for sandwiches.
Low sodium if they have it.
Good choice. Let's weigh them at the scale.
There's a line. Let's wait.
Do you like fish?
Salmon and shrimp, not much else.
Wild salmon is best. Look for bright orange.
Farmed is cheaper, but I know it's less healthy.
Exactly. Smell it. Should be like the ocean, not fishy.
What about frozen shrimp?
Fine, but check for ice crystals. Means thawed and refrozen.
I never knew that. How many shrimp?
A pound. Enough for pasta.
Do you eat tuna?
Canned tuna. Skipjack, not albacore. Less mercury.
I buy the cheap brand, it's fine.
Your choice. Any mussels or clams?
Too much work to clean.
Agreed. What about pre-made fish cakes?
Too processed. Let's stick with fresh salmon.
Okay, let's get 2 fillets. Frozen aisle. Quick meals.
I love frozen pizza.
Too much sodium. I buy frozen vegetables.
Are they as healthy as fresh?
Sometimes more. Frozen right after harvest.
Good to know. Ice cream?
Only on cheat days.
Today is cheat day for me.
Get a small tub. Vanilla.
What about frozen fruit for smoothies?
Yes, mango, berries, banana.
No added sugar?
Check the bag. Only fruit listed.
Frozen waffles. Quick breakfast.
Whole grain ones.
They cost more.
Pay for quality. Let's grab frozen peas and corn too. Canned goods aisle. Emergency food.
I always buy canned beans, black and kidney.
Rinse them before eating. Reduces sodium.
Really? I never rinse.
Try it. Tastes better.
Canned tomatoes for sauce?
Crushed or diced.
Crushed, less chopping.
Canned soup, tomato or chicken noodle.
Chicken noodle when I'm sick.
Low sodium version.
What about pickles?
Dill pickles. No food coloring.
I like sweet pickles.
Fine. Canned tuna and water, not oil.
Agreed. Also canned corn for salad.
Grab a jar of pasta sauce too.
Look for low sugar.
Time for carbs. Pasta and rice.
I buy white rice. Easy and cheap.
Brown rice has more fiber.
Takes longer to cook.
Buy parboiled brown rice. Faster.
Okay. What pasta shape?
Penne. Hold sauce well.
I like spaghetti.
Get whole wheat spaghetti.
It's chewy, but I'll try.
Quinoa. Do you eat it?
No idea how to cook it.
Rinse, then boil. 15 minutes.
So complicated.
Get rice noodles for stir fry.
Those are good. Any couscous?
Israeli couscous. Bigger pearls.
Add to cart.
Also oats for breakfast.
Rolled or instant?
Rolled, less processed. Snack aisle, dangerous zone.
I need potato chips, sour cream and onion,
Baked chips are healthier.
but not as tasty.
Get a small bag, portion control.
Fine. What about pretzels?
Low salt, good for dipping.
Nuts, almonds, or cashews?
Raw, unsalted almonds.
Boring. I'll get honey roasted.
Your blood pressure.
Popcorn? Microwave?
Air-popped kernels, cheaper and no fake butter.
Too much work.
Then get light microwave popcorn.
Deal. Granola bars?
Look for under 8 grams sugar.
These chocolate chip ones are 12 grams.
Put them back. Try Kind bars.
Expensive, but okay.
Thirsty? Let's get drinks.
Soda. Cola, please.
Too much sugar. Get diet or zero.
I hate the aftertaste.
Then get sparkling water with lime.
That's like drinking TV static.
Orange juice, fresh or from concentrate.
Fresh, not from concentrate.
Check 100% juice on label.
Also, iced tea, lemon flavored.
Unsweetened. Add your own honey.
You're a health freak.
I care about us. What about coconut water?
Tastes like sweat, no thanks.
Bottled water, still or sparkling.
Still, a big pack.
Let's get 1 case and reusable bottles.
Fine, fine.
Condiments. To make food tasty.
Ketchup, must have.
Organic ketchup. No high fructose corn syrup.
Expensive, but fine.
Mayonnaise. Regular or vegan.
Regular, Hellmann's.
Mustard. Yellow or Dijon.
Both. Yellow for hot dogs, Dijon for sandwiches.
Hot sauce. Frank's or sriracha.
Sriracha, garlicly.
Soy sauce. Low sodium.
And teriyaki for stir fry.
Check the sugar content on teriyaki.
8 grams per serving? Ouch.
Get tamari instead. Less sugar.
Okay. Salad dressing. Ranch?
Make your own. Oil, vinegar, herbs.
Too lazy. Get balsamic vinaigrette.
Spices aisle, small but mighty.
I only use salt and pepper.
You're missing out. Garlic powder, paprika.
What for?
Garlic powder on everything. Paprika on eggs.
Okay. Get small jars.
Cinnamon, great for oatmeal.
I'll take that. Oregano?
For pasta sauce. Dried basil too.
Baking. Flour and sugar?
All-purpose flour and brown sugar.
Baking soda or powder?
Both for cookies.
Vanilla extract. Pure or imitation? Pure is expensive.
Worth it. 1 drop makes a difference.
Fine. Cocoa powder for hot chocolate?
Unsweetened Dutch processed. We need dish soap and sponges.
I always forget those.
Also trash bags and paper towels.
Which brand is cheap?
Store brand. Same quality.
Laundry detergent, liquid or pods?
Pods. No measuring.
Fabric softener, scented?
Lavender. Calming.
I like fresh linen.
Grab the small bottle to try.
What about all-purpose cleaner?
Vinegar-based. Eco-friendly.
Bleach?
Only if you have white clothes.
I do. A small bottle.
Dishwasher tablets, Finish, or Cascade.
Cheap store brand works.
Yes. Let's not spend too much.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, a cat named Whiskers.
We should get cat food.
Wet or dry?
Dry for teeth, wet for hydration. Both.
Look for grain-free.
This brand looks good. Salmon flavor.
Whiskers love salmon.
Cat litter. Clumping?
Yes, unscented.
No baby items for you?
No kids yet. You?
No, but I have a friend with a baby. Diapers.
Let's grab small pack for your visit.
Nice thought. Baby wipes?
Unscented and alcohol-free.
Okay, done. Let's move to checkout.
Organic section. Do we buy any?
Only for berries and spinach.
Agreed. Dirty dozen rule.
What about organic milk?
It lasts longer. Worth it.
Organic eggs, double price.
Taste the difference. Try once.
Fine. Organic chicken?
Yes, no antibiotics.
That's 3x normal price.
Your health is priceless.
Okay, guilt trip.
Organic bananas, not necessary. Thick peel.
Good to save there.
Organic oats?
No. Regular is fine.
We'll mix organic for high risk, regular for others.
Smart budgeting.
Let's finish this aisle. Look, this cereal is on sale.
Buy one, get one free?
Yes, but only if you need two.
I do. One for home, one for office.
Use this digital coupon on the app.
Scan the barcode?
Loyalty card points. You have 500.
That's $5 off.
Apply at checkout.
Great.
Finally, checkout line.
This line is long.
Go to self-checkout. Faster.
I always mess up scanning.
I'll do it. You bag.
Paper or plastic?
Reusable bags. I brought them.
Eco-friendly. Nice.
Scan loyalty card first.
Then coupons?
Yes, then items.
Total $87.50.
Split payment?
I'll pay whole. You Venmo me.
Okay, credit or debit?
Credit, get points.
Don't forget to take receipt.
For returns.
Also, check if any item didn't scan.
Looks fine. Let's bag quickly.
Done! Let's go.
That was productive.
Do you have all bags?
Counted 3.
Don't leave the receipt in the cart.
Got it. Need help to the car?
Yes, this cart is heavy.
I'll push. You hold the door.
Thank you.
Where did you park?
Row C, near the cart return.
Smart. Easy return.
Put heavy items in trunk first.
Eggs and bread on top.
Exactly. Let's return the cart.
Quarter for the cart?
Here's a loonie.
Thanks. Now, drive home?
Yes, hungry after all that shopping.
Same. Let's cook together.
Deal. Great teamwork.